Hey there, urban survivors. Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today we're diving into a critical aspect of survival: securing food and water in an urban environment. In the chaos of a disaster, your ability to adapt and find resources could be the difference between life and death. First up, urban foraging. Yes, even in the concrete jungle, nature offers hidden treasures. Let's uncover the secrets of finding edible plants amidst the urban sprawl. Know your plants. Arm yourself with a field guide to local edible plants. Look for dandelions, clover, and wild berries. These common plants are packed with nutrients that can keep you going when supplies run dry. Avoid polluted areas. Steer clear of heavily trafficked areas to avoid contamination. Seek out parks, community gardens, and quiet corners where nature thrives despite the city's hustle. Be mindful of laws. Urban foraging can be a gray area legally. Know the rules to avoid fines or worse, confiscation of your precious finds. Next is water, the essence of life. In a city under siege, finding and purifying water is your top priority. Here's how to secure safe drinking water. Identify water sources. Public fountains, rainwater collection systems, rivers, and lakes are your lifelines. But remember, urban water is often tainted. Purification is a must. Purification methods: boil your water to kill pathogens. If boiling isn't an option, use purification tablets, portable filters, or even create a solar still. Each method has its place in your survival toolkit. Now let's talk about storing food and water. In an emergency, your cache could mean the difference between hope and despair. Here's how to ensure your supplies remain safe and usable. Food storage. Stockpile non-perishables like canned goods, dried beans, rice, and pasta. Rotate your stock to keep it fresh, and store food in a cool, dry place to extend its shelf life. Water storage. Store water in food-grade containers. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. Consider water preservatives to prolong the shelf life. Container types. Use vacuum-sealed bags and mylar bags with oxygen absorbers for food. For water, go for BPA-free plastic or stainless steel containers. Fill the mylar bag with your dry goods, drop in an oxygen absorber, and seal it with a heat sealer. This simple technique can keep your food fresh for years, providing a crucial buffer in times of crisis. Preparation is your greatest ally. Knowing how to forage and store food and water ensures you're ready for whatever comes. In the chaos of disaster, these skills will be your lifeline. If you found this episode helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential survival tips. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next episode of our Urban Survival series.